Guten Morgen, it's Haley. I need something more than just hello. It's severe weather outlook time, which of course is always precluded, is that the word, by earthquakes. The last one was in Northern California, the strongest one off the coast of Ecuador. And there's actually a whole bunch of, haven't seen those in a while, locations. This is the map of the earthquakes that are 5.0 or greater. So the strongest one was there, and then there's like a whole bunch of those clustered there. And obviously, I apparently need to, instead of a static image, make it zoomable. And then the second strongest, well, actually, it's quite tied with all of these, apparently. Southwestern Saka. I'm gonna get you, Saka, Russia. I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced, obviously, but it's up there, so I have not seen a strong earthquake up there in quite some time. Or ever. Not quite some time, but ever. Have not seen one up there ever, but I'm not looking every day, obviously. Hey, look, Florida's gonna be nice and warm, as always. But cold up in there. High temperatures for today, that's what this is. Low temperatures this evening, really cold up in there. And really cold up in Colorado, and little bits of Nebraska, apparently, with the blues, the 10s, and 0s, the noughts or something. Active weather stuff, this is red flag warning. That's fire thing, there's a fire thing, I don't know, let's find out. Wind advisory, extreme fire danger. See, I'm pretty sure that, fire watch or something and wind advisory are almost the same color. Not sure. But over here we've got lots of clutter. What do we got? High wind warning is the orange, brownish, whatever that shade is. This is apparently either lake wind advisory or both. And then winter storm warning, purple is winter weather advisory, that's winter storm watch. So basically it's winter up there. This lake effect. Lake effect stuff. Lake effect snow warning. Now, see, look at that. Lake effect snow advisory. Just yesterday, I was blobbing. Is that the word? Blabbering. I was just kvetching. I don't know if that's the word, right? About how the warnings are the lighter shade. Well, in this case, they've totally blown that color scheme. And the warning is darker than just an advisory. So, there's absolutely, I have no idea who signed all these colors, but they, maybe it was just 20 different committees coming up with it, or they just, as they needed it, they picked one at random from a color wheel or something. I have no idea. There's no rhyme or reason to it as far as I can tell. That's right. A map. With stuff, snow apparently all up in there, and then heavy snow possible up in these areas with the white hatch thing. And there's your classic occluded front, right? We've got the warm front and the cold front. As it overtakes it, it makes purple or something. I'm not sure if that's how it works in art class, though. Yeah, we're back to green, but as you can see, there's a chance. What is that? It's day 5. So we're going to skip all over the green bits and go straight to day 5. Texas and a smidge of Oklahoma as it looks right now. And this is where I embarrass myself because I say, okay, today is Thursday. That's day 1. So I need to count to 5. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I believe the severe weather chance is for Texas on Monday, November 21st, right? Because it's day 4 through 8, and that's D5. Right, I think that's how it goes. I don't know. Anyway, Texas, medium range models and stuff. So keep an eye on that, especially if you live in Texas. Otherwise, you'll probably be keeping an eye on the snow. Or maybe we'll get a thunder snowstorm, yeah. Snowpocalypse. In hurricane news, there might be some news, but right now it's just a 20% chance in the Eastern Pacific and then absolutely nothing in the Atlantic. Here are the hurricane models for the lovely little yellow blob in that thing. It's not probably going to hit California. In fact, I should do some research. Has anything that has started out in this area ever hit California? Has California really even seen a hurricane at all? It's embarrassing, right, that I don't know these things. But you know what I do know? I know that it's time to pimp this website, WICKEDWX.com. You should go hang out there Monday, apparently, or, you know, Sunday, so that you can get prepared and know more, because sometimes the forecast, you know, it could be no risk at all by the time that Monday shows up, or might be a horrible risk. I have no idea. That's why I look at the pretty map or something. Anyway, you have a fantastic flippin' Thursday, or terrifically tenacious Thursday. It's alliteration or something. I